Okay, here we have question number 10 in the final demo review series of questions. This is from the Chapter 5 retake, the R version, number 13, but the S version has a similar question with just different numbers. So we're going to figure out the vertex of this function two different ways. That's what you're looking for in this question, is the vertex and how to interpret it in the context of the word problem. Like how many units and then what price is that? That's the vertex. It's the x and y coordinates. So first let's do negative b over 2a to find the x coordinate of the vertex. Negative b over 2a is negative 10 over 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So the vertex x coordinate must be 1. So if I plug 1 back in here at x in this function, I get this. So it's negative 5 times 1 squared plus 10 times 1 squared plus 8. So this is 1 times negative 5 plus 10 plus 8. So it's at 5 plus 8 equals 13. Okay? So in the context, that's the actual point. In the context of the word problem, though, it says it's in thousands of units and hundreds of dollars. And that was a trouble point for students to interpret how to go from here to these two answers. So you got to read the actual context of the problem. If you look at these numbers, 1,000, so it's either B or D, but $1,300, so the answer is going to be D. Okay, let's confirm all this by also completing the square. Now I'm going to go rapidly through this, so you guys got to pay attention. For the function negative 5x squared plus 10x plus 8, completing the square, the way I taught you, does not work unless the a coefficient is 1. So let's get rid of that negative 5 by factoring it out, and this becomes x squared minus 2x, and then plus 8. Okay, everybody good with that, factoring out the negative 5 right there? Now let's keep going. Let's remember we have negative 5 of these squares we're going to make. But anytime you're going to make this square, you split b. What's half of negative 2? Well, it's negative 1. Remember, we have to have our plus 8 here. You've got to find this number. This is what we're adding to complete the square. It's negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1. But wait, we're not actually adding 1. We're subtracting 5 of those. So to keep this balanced, we have to add 5. That's where the 13 comes from. Here's the vertex form of this equation. So you can remember h and k from vertex form. So this vertex right here is at h lies 113, which is exactly what we had here. You can do either way to find the vertex and then interpret for the answer.